everybody. I say good morning, it's 11:30. So today I'm gonna be doing a little what I eat in a day. Now, like everyone, I have to do the disclaimers with these videos because they're a touchy subject, and I understand that. This is also not gonna be, whoa, Ken Burns, fisheye, pitch adjustment. You know, it's, look at my hair. I can't actually believe I'm going on the internet like this. I try not to even let my boyfriend see me like this. It is an honest what I eat in a day video. If you have an eating disorder, if you get very easily triggered by things like this, then please click off now. Here is your warning, here is your chance. It's okay, I will still love you, just not as much. I'm joking, that was a joke. I'm vegetarian, but I'm not vegan, so if you want to add like meat things to this, or you want to substitute like eggs or something, then go ahead and do that. I'm also going to talk during the video a little bit about an update on my PCOS, because you guys know I've been suffering with that too. God, I sound like I'm going through hell. I'm literally not. I'm okay. But this is a big problem. But yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs, I'm gonna wash my face and stuff and get ready for the day. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet. And then we are gonna make some lunch because I miss breakfast. That's a problem. Okay, so just before we get into eating, I'm gonna do like a body check at the beginning of this video. I have not eaten anything, I have not drunk any water. This is the point where I am the slimmest that I will be all day. But I just thought I would show you so that if I do another one in the future, I'll do another one again and you can see how my body's changed. Whether that be muscle or some fat loss. I am doing this for some fat loss. I know that I'm not really big, like I know I'm not really overweight, but just for me personally, I want to be a little bit slimmer, I want to feel a little bit better. Once again, I want to stress this enough, if you are going to find this really triggering, then please just click off, because your mental health and the way you view yourself is a lot more important than watching a YouTube video. And also to me saying that I want to lose some fat here, please don't think if you are my size or if you're bigger than me that you need to lose fat too. It's all about what you are happy with, what you are comfortable with, what you feel healthy with. Right now I've been so unhealthy these last few days because I've been like stuck inside all day, but over the bank holiday weekend I was really good. I was like getting 10,000 steps in every day, but as you can hear, it's belting it down right now. So yeah, I'm just going to show you, and I changed into a bikini lol because I'll get so much hate from in my underwear. Okay, so this is my body right now. This is it relaxed and then tensed. As you can see, when I tense, my waist comes in a lot. My belly sticks out a little bit. I'd like some more muscle in my bum. This is like no crazy angles. Literally just up front, direct. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to the show, Cooking with Flossie, where we cook. First thing I'm doing is getting a pan on my argo, putting a tiny bit of olive oil on. Okay, that was actually quite a lot. I'm also eating these jelly beans. I'm also eating these jelly beans from this Rimmel event that I went to. But honestly guys, if you want some jelly beans, have some jelly beans. It's really not the end of the world. Stub my toe. First thing I do is put some of these corn pieces. This is what they look like. They're basically chicken. Like honestly, they taste like chicken. They're pretty excellent. Whilst those are frying, because they take about 10 minutes to fry, I'm going to prepare the other things I'm also going to be frying. I've got a red onion and I'm just going to peel this and slice it really thinly. Now I've got some broccoli that I'm going to be cutting up. I use quite a lot of broccoli. I feel like broccoli is like the meatiest vegetable. If you don't like broccoli, there's something wrong with you. And then I just chop the broccoli up to be a little bit finer. Cauliflower and broccoli in dishes almost acts like rice sometimes. Love that. Okay, so this has been frying for about 10 minutes. The broccoli and the red onion have been frying for about 5 and the corn fries for 10. So I'm just gonna put this all into a bowl, and then I've also chopped up some avocado, which will be going into it. This is my lunch. I honestly have something like this pretty much every single day. I find it really filling, and something too about I say it's a diet of It's just the way I eat. At the moment, I'm trying to not eat carbs. And when I say carbs, I don't mean vegetables, because like vegetables have carbs in it. And I looked into the whole keto thing, and that was actually where I got inspiration from, but I'm not doing keto because keto is cheese and meat. You're not allowed to have carrots on keto because they've got carbs in it, and you can't tell me cheese and meat is better for you than carrot. But I just took some things from it, and it really helps with water retention, which is actually what you gain weight from when you're on the pill. So basically, I don't eat a lot of bread or pasta. I will every now and then, but I do still have sugar, which is a carb. As you saw, I had jelly beans, but I don't eat wheaty carbs. So it just works really well for me. But if you are really busy, you do have a really busy lifestyle, then carbs are good. Carbs are not the enemy, but I just find it helps me slim down when I don't eat them because I don't move around a lot. Ooh, and the sun's come out. Just having a little twister lolly now because I fancy something really sweet, and this will do the job. I think it's only like 70 calories or something, so it's really low in calories, and it will keep my sugar cravings down because a bitch loves sugar, but sugar doesn't love me. Hello everybody, you can see I've tied a dressing gown around my waist. It's cold, okay? So it's now 5:05 to be precise, and I'm starting to get a little bit hungry again. So I'm just gonna have some carrots and hummus.
I'll be very good at it. You will be, you're amazing. You don't need to be good at it anyway, it's just cute. It's just a way of us being able to have...
So it's now 6 o'clock, and I've just cut up some onions and put them into this pan. This is literally only to mix, I'm not going to be cooking them. And I've also chopped up a ton of romaine lettuce. I'm going to be making a salad for dinner. So I'm going to fry up a few things to go into it. Woo! Can't wait. I'm actually really quite hungry. Do you ever get it where you eat something and instead of filling you up, it only like triggers the hunger? Me with every meal ever. So I've just cut up some broccoli, and that is steaming, as you can see. And I'm going to dress the salad with this salad dressing. It's like a low-fat salad dressing. It's not amazing, it's not the best, but it does the job. I've also sliced up some halloumi. I don't usually slice it this... Literally the lighting is playing me. I don't usually slice it up like that. I usually slice it up thicker, but for the sake of the salad and distribution, we're going smaller, ladies. Okay, so the halloumi is done. I've also cut up some tomatoes and added them in. Okay, this is not working. I know I really quickly and briefly sort of ran over what I was doing, but obviously it's really simple. It's a salad. There's basically no cooking. All that's in it is broccoli, lettuce, tomatoes, red onion, and halloumi, and a little bit of salad dressing. So easy to make, so yummy, and so filling. Something that's really important for me when I'm dieting, I say that, trying to lose fat, is that I can still eat a lot of food, which is why I love making really big salads and sort of carb-free foods, because they're so low in calories, high in nutritional value, they keep you full for so long, and who doesn't want to eat a lot of food? Because... Okay, so it's now 9 o'clock and I haven't eaten since. I haven't been hungry. I baked some cookies for my parents when they get home, which they're not home yet, and I had 2 cookies because you gotta live a little even if you're dieting. I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was beneficial, even if it was just giving you some recipe ideas or inspiration to eat a little bit more healthy. Obviously I drink water. I haven't shown me drinking water throughout the day. I usually drink about 3 of these a day. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe to me if you would like to see more of me, and don't forget to press the bell notification to make sure my YouTube videos come up in your subscription box. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below if you want to go and follow me over there. I'm most active on my Instagram. I say that all the time. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching once again, and I will see you all very soon. Bye. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this too, I'm going out tomorrow night and I'm trying to figure out what to wear, but I don't really know what's appropriate for the event I'm going to, because I am not a D&B girl anymore. I'm going to a D&B event.